can hold those.
What's
but
this? Get it.
Won't work well for. Here, I can take one. I can. Okay, I can take that one.
Oh no, it's in the bag. You gotta get it out.
Get it. Yeah!
Grab again. Grab it.
Over here. Look.
Maybe put it on the couch and
Yeah,
she
just
could
cover it.
She could
Adeline, look.
dig it out.
She really likes it.
She does. That's good.
Did you get a square? What's in here?
What's in there, Adeline? There might be presents in there.
Look in here. There's cool stuff.
Pull it.
Look. Look.
Go get it.
What's in here?
For the wood piece.
Can you get it?
Get the ball.
There's a mosquito landing on the camera.
Get the ball.
Look.
It's in there.
Ready? Ready?
This is from Jen Liz. That's cute.
It's a ball. It's 2 balls. Can't open this one. Happy birthday!
That's a good one.
She likes it.
It's better than the red one.
Do you like your gifts, Adeline? Do you like them? New toys.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Adeline! Happy birthday to you! You're welcome.